And we're back with another review. Today it's going to be the Kizer Yorkie. This is designed by Ray Laconico. He does several knives for Kizer. This is the new pouch that Kizer is using. Used to be a camo green one, but they changed it up. So let's go ahead and get to the Yorkie. Start off, you'll always find, I'm not sure if you can see it, Ray Laconico's name on the top of the blade. Let's go over specs. It is 6 1/4 inches overall. The blade length is 2.5. Also has 2.5 inches of a cutting edge. Handle material is titanium. It is a frame lock. The pocket clip is also titanium. The blade is a stone washed, so it would be resistant to scratches. S35 VN. It is a drop point blade. It has a flat grind. The handle length is 3.6 inches. The handle width is 0.875 or 7/8. The weight of this blade is just under 3 ounces at 2.95. It has 2 barrel spacers. We like that, and a flow-through look other than that. Of course, it is a frame lock, and it is a flipper. This is a tip-up right-hand carry. I did not look to see if they had this available in left hand. They may, but I do not know. Of course, the material, I believe I told you, is titanium. So this is the Kizer Yorkie. We'll show it to you up close there, and we'll show you how it cuts. It's got nice action on it. Opens easy without much effort. Being that it's 6.125, we'll show you how it looks in my hand there. I like knives a little bit larger than this, but not bad. You can get a good 3 fingers on it. Of course, for what it's meant for. We'll start off by cutting some cord. Of course, all the hardware is satin finished. So it's a nice little higher end blade that Kizer does. Not too sure about the name being a Yorkie. To me, that's a little nippy dog. I wouldn't name my knife that, but hey, cuts nicely. And I guess that's all that matters. It's a nice little gentleman's carry. Let's show you how it cuts some burlap here. I'm going to roll it up and make it 3 or 4 thick there. Just going to push it through and pull it back. Oops, got caught. Cuts right through. Now we'll show you cutting some cardboard. We'll start at the tip and work our way into the blade. Cuts fairly easy. Actually cuts very nicely. Alrighty. So once again, this is the Kizer Yorkie, designed by Ray Laconico. It's a nice little flipper. I like that Kizer uses a higher end steel on almost everything they do. I believe the lowest they use is like a VG10. This is S35VN. Try to hold it there so you can get a good look at it. It's a nice little frame lock. We'll go ahead and wrap this up by saying, if you're watching on IGTV, make sure you like and follow @Atlantic Knife. We do these reviews pretty much one every day. If you're watching on YouTube, make sure you subscribe to our channel. There's a lot there. We have about 12 to 1500 videos currently. We do a 1-minute video which gives you a quick glance at the blade without any talking or interruption. We do 5-minute, which are these reviews, where we'll give you more in-depth coverage about the blade. And then we do our weekly show every Friday, where we're go over the new knives of each week in our own special way. On that note, I am C with Atlantic Knife, and I am signing off.